In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a split lunge on a TRX. So first things first, what I want you to do is I want you to position the TRX in line with the front of your hip. So find your front of the hip with the hands. That is where these foam parts of the TRX should be. Now, what we're going to do firstly is we're going to bend the elbows and we're going to start stepping back until we feel that the TRX has created tension. What I mean by that is as I'm coming back, I can't come back any further without leaning back in that position, right? So what I want you to do is now to come into a position where one foot is forwards, one foot is back, and what you're going to do is as you create the position, you're going to come down, which lengthens out the arms, and back up, which is going to bend the arms slightly. Now, we're not using the arms to help us during the movement at all, unless really you get into difficulty or you need to. We've got both feet pointing forwards. I come down through the back leg, the arms lengthen and straighten, and then they bend. Each time I do that, it's one repetition. Notice as well how my knee is behind my toes on my forward leg, so I'm not in this position too far over. My heel is always in contact with the floor on my forward leg, and then we switch it over to do the opposing side. So one leg comes behind the body, one leg is in front of the body, both feet are like train tracks pointing forwards. You start off in this bent position, whilst keeping a nice neutral spine. You're going to come down and back up, down and back up. Once you've done your desired repetitions and sets, that is the end of the exercise.